Hey guys, in this video I'm going to use ChatGPT to help me to analyze NVIDIA trend, support resistance or volume analysis. So basically how can I input NVIDIA for ChatGPT to analyze? So first of all you need to take a screenshot at your chart. So I will use my screenshot tool to help me to get a screenshot. And after that you can just go to ChatGPT and insert a screenshot. So basically this is my Navida screenshot, clean graph from Navida, and I will ask ChatGPT help me to analyze this graph based on current support resistance. Use volume profile strategy to analyze the graph support resistance to determine support resistance. So basically I want ChatGPT to help me to analyze based on support resistance using volume profile, as because I most prefer volume profile because, for example, high volume at a region will be, for example, so basically I will open out so let's start. Basically you can see ChatGPT is currently using 4.0 version. Use GPT-4 Omni. So basically you can use this in free version and it will help you to generate the support resistance based on the graph, and they even provide you some value based on the graph. So basically you can see based on the chart, support level 866, secondary support, and also resistance level. So basically they will help you to make a summary based on your requirement. Some of the You also can ask them to help you to provide entry point suggestion and others. So basically that's all, but you can try out yourself, but this is for reference only, not you need to have your own trading strategy, and also this is for reference, no buy up and sell call based on ChatGPT suggestion. Yeah, basically that's all how you can generate suggestion from ChatGPT on trading. So you still need to know your trading strategy. Thank you.